Hey there, what's up? This is Neil Napier, the Stoic Entrepreneur, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make Ghibli style videos and viral shorts as well. Now, if you weren't aware, recently ChatGPT released an update with which you can create some really cool and funny pictures. I did that for my own family as well. We were traveling, we had a nice picture by the beach, and I used that picture to create Ghibli-like art. In fact, I actually went a few steps further and I did a lot of those pictures, travel pictures, and I made like a travel album for my kids to look at based on those pictures, but also wanted to do a video. But here's the thing, creating videos using Ghibli kind of images is not easy. In fact, creating videos full stop is not easy. So when I came across this tool, which is just opening up, I was really impressed and I wanted to get on and show you a demo of exactly how you are able to create Ghibli style videos and art. Let me tell you this is a really incredible tool. I think it works incredibly well for what it does. I'm going to go in, walk you through, I'll explain the funnel, what you can buy to get access to what things. So let's go ahead and I'll walk you through this Ghibli tool. Again, I think it's incredible, but you got to see it for yourself. So right now I'm in the Ghibli dashboard, and as you can see, there's a few different features over here. I'll walk you through all of them, and then later I'll explain what you can get access to for how much. So you've got action figures. Action figures are things that have come out recently, and I kind of like those because they're fun. I mean, a lot of marketers are using that at the moment. I think eventually it may get a bit overused, but so far it's quite all right. So let's go to action figures, and here you can, for example, put some details. So for example, let's say I want a superhero, or let's say super dad, right? So this could be super dad, which is me, of course. And then I want a tagline, #1 dad in the world. And if you have kids, we can fight on that. Gender male, and expression, let's say heroic, joyful, and so on. And what it then does for you is it creates this AI-based action figure, which again is something I can use in my marketing. It's something I can use when I'm creating videos, creating images, creating any kind of content for that matter. It takes about 40 to 60 seconds, and I'll bring you back as soon as this is done. So there you go, Super Dad, this is finished. I'm going to try and zoom in as much as I can to show you. In fact, let me open this. So Super Dad, I mean, it's kind of cool, but I can add some more details there. I can improve it, for example. So that's perfectly fine. You know, I can add more details and I can do more things with it as I want to. So this is good. I was kind of hoping that I'd be able to add a few more things to it. For example, like, you know, it's got these images right here of various Super Dad things, but I kind of wanted to do my own as well. Still, it's okay. Like, it's fine. But Ghibli art, like, that's one of the key ones that I love, and I think it's becoming quite common these days. A lot of people are using it. So you've got 10 different options here, and all you have to do is you have to upload one of your pictures, and it can create a suitable picture for you based on the kind of theme that you want. Let's go ahead and try and create a talking studio video. So I'm just going to choose some images, and again, the more images you provide, the better it's going to be, because it's going to understand you a little bit better. So the more images you can give it, the better it will be. You can enter the script as well. So I'll create, for example, something in English with a male voice.
Welcome to the future, where imagination comes to life. Your visuals now speak and connect like never before.
And then I'm going to just use Jensen more. I can listen to it as well. Let's go for this one. And then I'm going to enter some script and choose some images. I'll bring you back as soon as I do that. Okay, so I've picked an image and I have just taken a random 2-line script, and I'm going to try that out. I'm going to see what it generates for me. This one takes a little bit longer because, of course, it's video rendering. Video rendering is usually a little bit slow, but that's okay. We can always come back. Okay, let's go for AI art. And again, you've got AI art the same way. You can remove backgrounds, you can do face generation, you can do logo making if you want to. So they've got all these things built in as well, which is really good. Now, I will say, I think I've seen these features somewhere else as well in one of their previous tools. So it's okay if you already have access to this. If you don't, of course, it'll be super useful for you. And you also have all the graphics here that you can use, so you can create basically new graphics. And I'll say this has got the same functionality as you'd expect from Canva. And then you've got all the things that are created.
Create Studio Ghibli style AI art, reels, and shorts from just a keyword. Generate fast, go viral, sell to clients, monetize content like a pro. Create Studio Ghibli style AI art, reels, and shorts from
Okay, leaves a little bit to be desired, but I can say with the action figures and with the Ghibli art especially, there's a lot that we can do here. I think the better pictures you can provide, the more sort of, you know, let's say I'll choose one of my business partners, Jay's picture, and you've got all the different styles in here that you can choose. I'll try and choose, let me just find this one. I'll choose Sunny Shore, and I'll see what it does as well. So there is a ton of content you can create with this, which I think is good. I think it's absolutely going to help you when you want to build something new, when you want to create new kind of images. And to be honest, looking at their sales page, they have tons of examples, they have tons of things that you can create as well. In fact, let me just bring up one of these and I can show you those as well. So there you go. With a bit more fine tuning, you're able to create Ghibli images like these from basic images. And they've got different sorts of AI art styles as well, artifacts, which are really, really good. And of course, like the thing that I really like is the shorts and the reels that you can create. So I'll show you some of the examples of videos that they have created using this technology. Again, today's my first day of trying it. Like literally I opened the tool and logged in. I want to show you.
Let your visuals speak with Ghibli. AI powered and effortlessly. Whether it's a photo, cartoon, or anime character,
I've always been just a static photo. No voice.
Bring any image to life with Ghibli, whether it's a person, pet, cartoon, or anime character.
I think ads are going to be wonderful with this, right? And that's kind of what we're looking for, is how can we present ourselves in the best way forward, how we can position ourselves in the best way forward. But anyway, I think it's an incredible tool. Of course, there's a few things that they can still do better, which I hope they continue working on. But let me explain to you what different levels are available so that you're able to pick the one that works for you as well. Alright, so with the main offer, you're able to access AI Ghibli art generator, Ghibli style video magic. You get unlimited image to video creations. You get AI powered talking Ghibli images as well, AI text to speech and lip sync. You get multi-language videos. You can bring characters to life. Like pretty much everything I showed you, you have access to there. Alright, even including stock images as well. I didn't show you stock images, but you get access to that along with the commercial rights to this. Now, this is going to be available at $37 when the card opens, but the price is going to go up with every sale. But that's just with the main license. If you were to go for the upgrade, which is, I believe they're calling it the Elite license, with the Elite license, you get unlimited workspace, you get unlimited credits. With the main offer, you get 500 credits. So I think you can do like one image is worth 1 credit, one video is worth 5, I believe. But with unlimited credits, that's what that means. So unlimited Ghibli art generator, human art, animal art, all those things, right? So all the lip syncing, all the AI powered talking images, everything is built in for you. So that's available as well for you as a limited license for $77. Again, price may vary, just so you know, but that's what you can get. Then you can also get, as another upgrade, you can get unlimited Ghibli Enterprise. That gives you access to unlimited AI image to image. So I think I showed you earlier where you could do AI art, where you could do face generation, for example. You can get, let me show you this one more time. Give me 1 second, I'll switch to it. All right, this is what I'm referring to. So this is available for $77, the AI art feature, and this comes with unlimited usage. You know, you get tons of different things in here. You can do deepfake images, face gen, 3D multi-view, all those things as well. And on top of that, you are also getting Ghibli Studio. This is the graphics editor I showed you here. That's Ghibli Studio additional for $47. So Enterprises for $67, Studios for $47, where you get a drag and drop graphic editor, again Canva-like, where you can do all different sorts of images as you want as well. What I like is that you're able to bring in images from other places, even these AI images, into stuff that you're building as well. And then finally you have the Ghibli agency license, which gives you the white label rights to Ghibli, where you can basically put your own logo in here. You can sell seats to agency clients. You can have unlimited team members as well, and you're able to also utilize custom branding. So all in all, they've got a pretty good funnel in my opinion. But if I'm completely honest with you, if you were to just get the main offer and the upgrade number 1, you'd be covered for the main features, which I think you need. Alternatively, of course, you can go for they're probably going to have a fast pass or a bundle deal as well. You can go for that too. But all I'll say here is that I think it's a pretty good tool. I think it is capable of doing a lot of powerful things. But as with anything, it's garbage in, garbage out. The better input you get, the better output you're going to get. So something you have to play with, something you have to use. And I think it's a good tool. I think if you're using any kind of image and video creation in your marketing, which again you should be, this is going to take you somewhere. So this is Neil Napier. I hope you enjoyed this demo. If you have any questions, reach out and ask, and I'll be happy to guide you further. Thanks.